See. Hey girls, welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV. If you are new here, my name is Jeanina. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, you know me, I know you know. So anyway, I am about to get ready to get on a flight, so I thought it would be really cool to do like a get ready with me for a night flight. I'm actually flying out tonight to go see Sunny, my daughter. She's in Seattle. She goes to college there. She's a uni girl now, and so I like to go see her every like 3 or 4 weeks. So this is my week, so I'm just getting ready to go, and I wanted to show you guys some things that I do prior to a night flight or just like a night period. But first, girl, I wanted to show you guys this. I just got this in the mail like just now. I wasn't expecting it until I think they said Tuesday, but girl, I just got this in the mail. This is from Monastery. Monastery Made. No, I think it's just called Monastery. This is a skincare company. If you're like not new to my channel, you guys know I love Monastery. I actually got to go to their flagship store in San Francisco, California. They actually have like a flagship store there. I just love everything Monastery makes, but I've really been sticking to like my Curology thing to like make my I've been really getting serious about, you know, like my skin clearing up and everything. So I've been really focused on Curology and just the products that, you know, that I've been using. But like, girl, my esthetician recently recommended me a oil cleanser because I'm using all this stuff. Curology has like, I have some pretty like major chemicals in my Curology formula, and then I get facials. So my esthetician thought that perhaps maybe like my skin barrier was a little compromised because of all the stuff that I'm doing. So she changed me to an oil cleanser because I was just using regular gentle cleanser. So she changed me to oil cleanser. I've been using the Mara one from Sephora, the Mara brand, and I really love that, and it really has improved my skin and all that. So I was looking for another oil cleanser. Well, I wasn't really looking for one. I was just kind of like, because Mara is really expensive. Like the Mara brand is so expensive. So I was just kind of like, if I can find like a cheaper version maybe. But this day I wasn't really looking, girl. And I was on Monastery's website and I found an oil cleanser. So I was like, girl, let me order one from Monastery. It's a little bit cheaper, and I love Monastery's brand. Like, so I just got it in the mail. I wasn't expecting it because I would have packed it in my luggage, but I think I'm just gonna go with what I have in my luggage. Oh, girl. They wrapped it in like a huge thing. They never do that. So I don't know. Maybe they changed their packaging. Ooh, and then here's the card. Yes. Oh, they included like a little card. So here's their logo. I love their logo. Oh my God. Like, I just feel like this is so luxury. Like, it looks like a dime or a penny, but it's their like whole logo, and everything has this symbol on it with the silver. It's just, I just love it. But it says thanks from Monastery, and it's just like a card. Ooh, they're doing some rebranding. And then here's a sample of their floral repair concentrate. Girl, I love me a sample, okay? But anyway, here's the cleanser. So they had two cleansers. They had one that was like this one, which is, I believe it's called the Rose Almond one or something like that. Yes, Rose Cleansing Oil. So it has rose oil, almond oil, and like just some other things. And it's mostly for people with, I guess, kind of sensitive skin, because the other one that they had, girl, they said it was like a sage rosemary type of thing, and they said they do not recommend it for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but I feel like because, you know, all the stuff that I use, maybe my skin might be becoming sensitive. I don't know. So I just opted for the gentler one, which is the rose and almond oil one, and this is how it looks. Look at that. Like, I love this logo, girl. Like, this is just it. This, like, coin head or whatever. It just looks so luxurious. And then I'm loving the red. So, let's see what it looks like. So, you pull it out, and all their products come, like, in a little sleeve. So, pull it out like that. And here's the stuff. So now I'm just like, should I take this with me? I already packed. I have like all travel stuff now because I travel so much now. I just have like mini things now because I hate having just big things and all that. So I don't know if I want to take this with me. I already have like my little travel, I think it's a CeraVe cleanser in there, like a gentle cleanser. But like, I so want to try this so bad. It smells so luxurious and it feels really nice. Because one thing about that Mara cleanser, it's expensive, but girl, it's worth it. It feels so nice. And this feels so nice. Smells so nice. Oh, should I take this with me? I mean, it's not that big. It's not that big. I don't know, girl. I don't know. Maybe I'll just save it for when I get back. Maybe I'll just save it when I get back. Okay, girl, we're dressed. Let's get ready. pimple right here. And it hurts. I'm gonna put an invisible patch on it. You know, I never tried those invisible mighty patches that I got. Today's the day. We're gonna try it. Wow. It is invisible. Straighten my leave out and just get like my edges straightened and situated, and just comb through the hair just so it can look decent. Usually go through to make sure I have everything. So I have all of my toiletries, skincare stuff that I'm gonna take. I'll make sure that everything is completely closed so it won't leak out. I have all of my shoes and stuff that I want to take here. I got my gym shoes, all of my chargers and stuff, and all of my tripods and then these are all of my outfits. I don't know why I still have the tag on this. I guess I'll worry about that later. Yeah, we're pretty much, I feel like I'm pretty much packed. So I'm gonna close it up, and this is my new suitcase, so I'm gonna see if this thing fits on there. Oh yeah, and y'all wanna see something really cool? So this new one that I bought from Amazon, the reason why I bought it is because look at this. It has a cup holder. Look, Oh, it's not sick. Isn't that cool?